I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device to Phemex is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Phemex app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings and find the Security section. This is where you can manage device connections and two-factor authentication. Step 3. Enable device management. In the Security settings, look for the option to manage devices. Enable this feature to allow new devices to connect. Step 4. Add your new device. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm connection. After adding the device, check your email for a confirmation message from Phemex. Click the link in the email to finalize the connection. Remember, if you don't receive the confirmation email, check your spam folder or ensure that your email address is correct in your account settings. Happy trading!